Hello, today at 12 and 7 Eastern Time, we are doing webinars. It is a public training on how the retirement bot works, the numbers and so forth, and the cost of doing it, how to get signed up with the lease, what is expected from us, and what is expected from you in joining the lease program. Just to let you know the results from November 3rd up until today is $38,200 trading one contract. That's only $1,000 margin. So trading one contract, you can see that it's gone all the way up. So far today, it has not made a trade. It may not because we had such a big session gap last night. So it may not even make a trade today. But as of right now, we're at $38,200. The number one thing you want to look at is your chart. Yes, we have losers. Yes, we have break-even days. But overall, it just keeps making money. So looking at this right here, we have $500 last Friday that it made. Last month is $4,500. And then in March, it made $4,300. We show all of the information as far as the losing days, the winning days, how many trades it's taken, how many minutes it took, a running total. And you can go ahead and look through all that. And again, you can click on all time and this will take it all the way back and just shows all of the trades that it's had all the way back to November. And so just look at it, see what you think. Join us today at noon. That is in about an hour. I will send out another link if you haven't signed up already. I'll send out a link at 11:30 so that you can get signed up on it. And I'll send another one at 6:30 tonight, an email. Make sure that you have your filtering turned on your emails to make sure it doesn't go to spam, or check your spam. Just put at spymoneyllc.com as a filter, never go to spam. You want to make sure that you are available whenever we do these live videos. They are really good. It helps you out. Even if you don't join, it'll help you out with the strategies that you currently use. It's just 4 steps of trading. It does work on everything. But we would love to get you started. You can look through here. If you already know that you want to join, just click on the lease program, fill out the application, and once you send that out, I'll get it, and then I'll schedule in a time to talk to you, just to interview you, make sure that we're a good fit for each other. We're not looking just to take everybody in. We're wanting to make sure that everybody understands before they even spend a dime. We don't want you giving money if you're not satisfied with what we do. We want to make sure that you are aware of everything. Again, sign up today, spymoneyllc.com, and let's get you into the public webinar and then get you started into the lease program. Have a great day.